Hey guys, Colin McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com, on Twitter at Scalp.Stock, and here are the Freedom 35 top short stock pick for June 9th, 2014. Now, the number one short that we got on our list for Monday's trading session is eBay. This is in the Specialized Consumer Services Index and trades in the NASDAQ. Now, we're liking eBay as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a strong downtrend. After making a fresh low early in May, the stock tried to rally but couldn't find enough buyers to push it back past its previous high. After selling off towards the lows, the stock consolidated for several sessions, and on Friday's trading session the stock broke down on increasing volume, closing near the lows. We'll see if the selling pressure can continue for eBay as the market opens on Monday, and if this stock does drop below $47.40 a share, we will be looking to short the stock with an intraday price target of $46.11 a share. Here's a daily chart of eBay. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com, on Twitter at Scalp.Stock. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future updates, as well as checking our Freedom 35 membership